Welcome to Black Gumbo. Black Gumbo family. Welcome to Black Gumbo gardening family and adventure. No. Welcome to Black Gumbo gardening, food, and family. That's the new tagline, and I keep messing up. We're going to review these tomatoes today. Look at all these tomatoes I've got to eat. These are just the ones that remain after I juiced about 10 pounds of them today and took another 10 pounds over to friends' houses. That's a lot of tomatoes. We're going to look at this one here, the Amana Orange. This is an orange tomato, one of my favorites that I've grown this year. And let's go cut them up. All right, well, welcome. These are some really nice tomatoes that I've grown. This one's almost too ripe right here, so we're going to use these two to review the Amana Orange. Amana Orange is an heirloom tomato. As you can see, it's a very orange tomato, a very large tomato. Let's cut them up and see what they're all about. Look at that. It is a beefsteak tomato. All right, this is a really nice, juicy beefsteak. I'm gonna try it. That's a very good, juicy tomato. Be a good slicing tomato for burgers. It's tart, but not too tart. The acid doesn't linger around too long. It's got a good classic tomato flavor. This is a delicious beefsteak. I mean, look at that. That is a steak of a tomato. The juice is running down my arm. If you let them ripen on the vine, you'll be rewarded with, well, I can't say anything other than this is a steak of tomato. All right, well, that was a good tomato. I really enjoyed growing these heirlooms and trying different ones each year. That's one I'll probably grow again. As I've been cleaning up the sink over there where I cut that tomato up, now I can sense some aftertaste. And there is some acid on my tongue. It is an acidic tomato. So if you're looking for that, a little bit of an acidic, an acid that comes on slowly, this is the tomato for you. It cuts well. It's a big tomato. It's a heavy producer. You got to keep the birds away. I've lost about half my crop from that to the birds, which I expected. But man, Amana Orange, I'm going to give that one probably an 8. That's a good tomato. Thank you for joining us today on Black Gumbo. We're really glad you stopped by. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Like our videos, comment. We'd like to hear from you. And I'll talk to you next time. Bye-bye.